fighting nights are strong, bold, unstoppable. We believe the book on higher education is still being written, and much of it not in books at all. Education demands bold, persistent experimentation. And as much as we are teachers, we are also students. A community of thinkers, challengers, innovators. We represent the face of a new generation that will lead a new world. A world where there is no impossible. We come from everywhere and believe we can go anywhere. We are Lynn University, and we speak the universal language of possible. This place was built from determination and the power of curiosity, the stuff of great artists, pioneers, and entrepreneurs. Welcome to the gateway of why and the proving ground for asking, why not? If you have the belief, if you have the dream, if you have the determination, you're Lynn.